Hello traders and welcome to Trade IQ. Today I'm going to backtest a system that has 90% win rate. I'm not even kidding, 90% win rate. And I found this strategy on this YouTube channel called Crypto Giant. So they claiming that they have a high win rate strategy that works on Ethereum, Solana or Bitcoin. So on cryptocurrencies mainly. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to backtest that strategy and see whether it's legit or not and whether we should use it. Okay, so that strategy consists of two indicators. The first indicator is called a half trend. So half trend, this indicator right here by Everget. So we click on that indicator and we see what we need to do right now is to basically adjust this indicator first. Okay, so we're gonna untick that and we change the values to 6 and 3. All right, so the way this indicator works is very simple. Whenever we see this arrow, this is a signal to enter a long or a short position. So if the arrow is red, this is a signal to enter a short trade. And if the arrow is blue, then this is a signal to enter a long trade. So very simple. Another indicator that's going to be on our chart is going to be a EMA, exponential moving average. We're going to add it to our chart. And we're going to change the settings from 9 to 60. There we go. Okay, so now we have our indicators all set up. So the trading rules, the entry rules are very simple. So we're going to use a 2-to-1 ratio where we're going to risk 1 in order to make 2. And we're going to enter a short trades only if the price is below this moving average. So just like it happened right here, we see the price is below the moving average, we can enter a short trade. And we can only enter a long trade if the price is above the moving average, just like it happened right here. Also, if we have a long trade, a signal to go long, and the price is below the moving average, we're going to have to wait until the price actually crosses and closes above the moving average. And we have at least 2 consecutive candlesticks that close above the moving average, if that makes sense, just like it happened right here. So for example, we had a long signal right here, but imagine the price is below the moving average. Imagine the moving average goes like this, right? And it goes, yeah, like this. So we have our price below the moving average. Now we're waiting basically until the price crosses and closes above the moving average. So we would enter a long trade somewhere here because this is a second candlestick that closed above the moving average. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So let's actually go and see some examples and see how well this strategy actually works. So I can't delete this one. Let me actually change this. Okay, so let's get rid of this. Okay, so we have a short signal right here. Right, we're looking at our ATR indicator. So I forgot to mention that we're going to use ATR for our stop losses. So the way this indicator works is basically we see the value on the right hand side is 35, and we're going to multiply that value by 2. So we're going to use 70 for our stop loss, and we're going to use 140 for our take profit target. So for example, we enter a short trade right here. Okay, now we're going to adjust our stop loss to 70 and I take profit to 140. So somewhere right here. All right, yeah. Okay, so now we can see that this is clearly a losing trade. The price didn't hit our take profit level, and we see the price actually hit our stop loss right here at this candlestick, just exactly where we put our stop loss. So this is a losing trade already. Okay, so next trade right here. So we see we have a signal to enter a long trade. We see that the price is above the moving average. So what we need to do is we need to check the value of the ATR. We can see that it's sitting at 40. So we're going to need to multiply that by 2 and enter the trade. So we're going to set our stop loss at 80 and our take profit level at 160. Okay. There we go. So, this is a winning trade actually. We have a winning trade right here. Also, we wouldn't close the trade if we have another signal from our indicator to go in the opposite direction. So we're just going to have to wait until the price actually hits our take profit level or our stop loss. Okay, let's do another example. Okay, so we see an indicator telling us to go long right here. But the price is sitting below the moving average, so we wouldn't take that trade. Okay, next trade right here to go short on this candlestick actually. So what we need to do is we need to check the value of our ATR. So it's sitting at 20 roughly, yeah. So we're gonna take a short position right here. And we see we got stopped out. So if we put our stop loss at 40 and I take profit level at 80, and we definitely got stopped out right here. So I don't know. I'm going to backtest this strategy at least 50 times and see what is the win rate? What can we expect? Okay, so we're going to use this spreadsheet to record our wins and losses. Our account size is at £1,000. Our risk per trade is 2%. Our profit is at 4%. Take profit level is going to be at 4 values of the ATR, and our stop loss is going to be at 2 values of the ATR. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so overall we had 58 trades in total, and win rate is actually not too bad. It's 41, even though it's negative. We still made £436, so that's over 43% return on investments. So as we can see, the strategy is not anywhere near 90% win rate. Even though it has a good potential, you can adjust it, you can actually improve it by adding some other indicators or by simply changing some settings on those indicators. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this backtesting, and if you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video.